Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and I'm going to be doing the subscriber picks my makeup challenge. We came up with this by creating a poll on Facebook because I can't really do that interaction thing on YouTube yet. It doesn't give me that option, so that's where I had to do it. So I'm so sorry if you do not have me on Facebook and you couldn't participate, but hopefully you enjoyed the look anyway, or you're going to enjoy the look anyway. I don't know if I'm saying the right thing, but yes, so let's just get right in. So 9 votes got the Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to put that on. It got the most votes. And then the Milani Conceal and Perfect got 10 votes. By the way, there were 16 total surveys done. It's been up for a few days, and the first day I got like 11, and like the last 2 or 3 days I've had 1 or 2 people go on and vote, so I figured why not do it now. I'm extremely impatient. I like to do things when I can do things. I don't like to wait. And 8 out of 16 people voted that I use brushes. I do not usually use brushes, but that's what it says to use. So the Milani Conceal and Perfect is definitely not one of my favorite foundations. Pop that. I've never really been somebody that uses brushes, and then I'd always end up spreading it with my fingers. But I always used like these things because that's what they said was a foundation brush, and I never really liked it, so I just never really have been a brush person. And actually I see a lot of people using brushes like this to put on foundation. The next Tarte Shape Tape got 6 out of 16 votes. The second highest votes was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, which I actually really like. That was way too much. This is a new tube, so it's actually coming out nice and thick. Towards the end I usually have to spread it out more because it comes out so thin that I have to kind of put it everywhere where I want it. But it being a new tube like this, I really don't have to put that much on because it already comes out so thick that it's gonna spread fairly far anyway. But I don't really like my concealer with this brush. I feel like it's just soaking up way too much product, if I'm being honest. This is like a $1 e.l.f. brush, so maybe if I had like a different foundation brush, I'd like it more. Then the Fit Me powder came in first with 8 votes. Again, I really don't use powder that often. I'm just kind of sweeping this all over my face, just very lightly, you know, making sure it's on there but it's not so heavy. And none of this stuff, by the way, is anything that I really hate so far. I just don't like the Milani Conceal and Perfect that much. The Kat Von D Shade in Light won with the most votes on this one. And actually this is what I usually use to contour my face, so I actually enjoy this a lot. I feel like some of you are being really nice and you know what I like to use, and you picked out the stuff that I like to use, which is kind of cool that I have enough people that watch me that know what I like. But also I was willing to challenge myself and, you know, go out of the box, so you know, if you had said dunk my face in water, I'd have done it for you. this got spelt wrong. It's the Rimmel, but spell check, and I don't even know why, because Rommel isn't a word either, but the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, which I actually do not like. I think it's too shimmery and doesn't do enough for my face, except for add glitter, for me to like it. But, you know, my absolute favorite blush, it's called Party. It's just a sample I got for my birthday a couple of years ago from Sephora. I gave the lipstick to my sister because I really didn't care for the lipstick, but now I'm thinking I should have kept the blush from the pack and given her both lipsticks and kept both blushes, because I really enjoy this and I'm getting close to the bottom. The Tarte Pro Glow one for highlight, and I like to spray my face because it makes it like super reflective and shiny. Eyebrows, the Rock. I got this from TJ Maxx for like $7. It's actually not bad, but it's definitely not my favorite. I don't know how much this retails for regular price. Like I said, it's not a bad product. Also, I don't like that I can't, after I roll it up, I can't roll it back down. So you really have to be careful with how much you put out. I like to keep it kind of short anyway, so I'm lucky in that way. I like it real short, so I'm not gonna break it, but I don't put a whole lot of pressure on. So the only thing that scares me is when I go to put the cap on. I'm afraid I'm gonna snap the top. So that the James Charles palette one with the most votes. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this. It won't be a tutorial, it'll just be me pointing out what colors I use, like I have been the last couple of days. Okay? I better edit that. That's gonna be long as hell. I've already primed my eyes with the concealer when I put my concealer on earlier, so. Liner one with 8 votes, just so you know. That's why I put that on there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other eye real quick, and I'll be right back. put a little bit of ring light on my inner corners. Unfortunately, at this very moment, these are the only lashes I have, so they look a little bit more natural than usual, so hopefully that doesn't bother anybody. Actually go on almost pain-free. What? Spoke too soon, didn't I? And when I go on absolutely perfect, and now this side doesn't want to stay. Nobody breathe. It's actually sticking. Lipstick. It says nude, so we should do a very nude. You son of a bitch. The Smashbox X-rated one with 9 votes. So you know what? I forgot an eyebrow. I forgot an eyebrow. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And hopefully you enjoyed the look that I created for you guys using the votes that you guys picked. I was kind of juggling between a like bronze, like all neutral look or a rainbow look, and I went with a rainbow look because come on, it's the James Charles palette. But if you'd like to see a like very neutral, maybe maroon or like brown and golden and just like sexy, you know, smoky eye, then leave a comment down below letting me know and I can do that too. I just figured, you know, being the James Charles palette, I better do something with color. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.